answer this question. What is the shape of the earth? The earth is round. The earth is round. Number 2. How does the light travel? How does the light travel? The light travels straight. The light travels straight. Number 3. Does the moon have light of its own? What is the light of the moon? The moon has no light of its own. It is the reflected light of the sun. The moon has no light of its own. It is the reflected light of the sun. The light of the sun reflects from the moon, and from the moon we get the reflected light of the sun. Why do stars look so small? The stars are far away. The stars are far away. Question number B. Fill in the blanks. The dash goes round the earth. The moon goes round the earth, and the earth goes round the sun. The dash is much smaller than the earth. The moon is much smaller than the earth, and the dash is much bigger than the earth. The sun is much bigger than the earth. Question number 3. Because dash cannot pass through some things, light cannot pass through some things. Dash are the made untransparent. That are made untransparent. Light comes from the dash. Light comes from the sun. Light also comes from dash, dash and dash. Lamp, fire and torch. Question number C. Match the following. The earth, the sun, the moon, stars, light. Here in the right column is bigger than the earth, are bright and hot, seen at night, spins round, can pass through some things, goes round the earth. Now we will match. The earth spins round. The sun is bigger than the earth. The moon goes round the earth. The stars are bright and hot, seen at night. Light can pass through some things. Question number D. Think about it, talk about it, experiment and find out. Is a shadow ever smaller than the object itself? Is a shadow ever smaller than the object itself? No. A shadow is not ever smaller than the object itself. Here, this baby is the object and it is its shadow. Here, the shadow of this baby is greater or longer. Question number E. Mark the sentences, tick mark or cross mark. Question number 1. The moon has no light of its own. Here, this smaller circle is the moon, and light comes from the sun to the moon, and from the moon to the earth. So we get light from moon also. The light of the moon is actually the light of the sun, reflected light of the sun. So it is right because moon has no light of its own. Question number 2. The sun is a star. We know that all planets move around the star. Sun is a star also. So it is right. Light can go round corners. We can see here this boy can see the light because he is using straight line, straight pipe. But it is a curved pipe. This boy cannot see because light cannot go round corners. So this sentence is not correct. It's wrong. The earth spins round. Yes, the earth spins round. The sun goes round the earth. The sun goes round the earth. No, it's wrong. The earth goes round the sun. This sentence is not correct. Question number F. Draw pictures of the following. The sun shining on a tree show the shadow of the tree. This is the tree, and you will draw a sun and a shadow of the tree. 3 circles. Draw 3 circles to show the sun, the earth, and the moon. This circle is sun. This circle is the earth, and this circle is the moon. Question number G. Tell your teacher in your own words. Number 1. What you did to learn about how the earth has day and night. If we observe here, we can see that one part of the world is day and another part of the world is night. The part facing the sun is day and the part away from the sun is night. Day starts when the sun is visible. Day starts when the sun is visible, when the sun is rising. Night starts when the sun is not visible. Night starts when the sun is not visible. Number 2. How shadows are made. We can see that the baby is standing here, and this part is the shadow of the baby, and sun is shining on the baby. So the shadow is created. The shadow is created because light goes straight. Light goes in a straight way. Light cannot go round corner. When light falls on object, shadow are made. About things, what will allow light to pass through them? Question number 3. About things that will allow light to pass through them. This glass is very transparent. So, through this transparent glass, light can pass easily. this polythene is also very transparent, and this bottle of the water is also very transparent. So light can pass through transparent object. And this is our end of the chapter 12. Subscribe our channel, like, comment and share.